The Ministry of Home Affairs has issued new guidelines over the lockdown until May the 3rd. The main area of thrust is the rural economy. Industries operating in rural areas, including food processing industries, construction of roads, irrigation projects, buildings and industrial projects in rural areas, works under MNREGA with priority to irrigation and water conservation works, and operation of rural common service centres have all been allowed. These and other select activities can resume post a review on April 20th in areas that are not COVID-19 hotspots. A man named Vinay Dubey, who was a self-proclaimed labour leader, has been arrested for allegedly instigating labourers to gather in massive numbers at Mumbai's Bandra station, flouting all norms of social distancing and endangering the state's fight to curb COVID-19, which has ravaged Maharashtra. Mumbai police is investigating whether his posts on Twitter and Facebook were potentially responsible for the rumours that drove hundreds to Bandra. He had been running a campaign called Chalo Ghar Ki Or, pressing for the return of stranded labourers to their native places. As per the revised Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines, face masks have been made compulsory in all public places. Spitting is strictly prohibited and is punishable with fine. Gatherings such as marriages and funerals will remain regulated by the district magistrate, and there is a strict ban on the sale of liquor, gutkha and tobacco. Airlines have started planning for a gradual resumption of operations from May the 4th. India's largest airline, Indigo, said it will resume flight operations May 4th onwards, initially within a curtailed capacity. International flights may be reopened subsequently. The aviation industry has been severely hit by the lockdown, and airfares are expected to surge post the lockdown for the airlines to make up for the losses. Ahmedabad Civil Hospital has reportedly segregated its COVID-19 isolation ward into one for Hindu patients and one for Muslim patients only. Medical Superintendent Dr. Gunwant H. Rathore reportedly said that the wards based on faith had been created as per a state government decision. Deputy Chief Minister and Health Minister denied any knowledge of it, according to an Indian Express report. Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh said that he has been informed by experts that the COVID-19 curve would not flatten in India before the month of September. He said it was not possible to keep people in lockdown for so long, but even after lockdown, the government will take measures to ensure that cases do not expand exponentially. US President Donald Trump cut off funding to the World Health Organization, accusing the UN body of mishandling the coronavirus crisis. The deadly pandemic has already killed more than 125,000 people and infected nearly 2 million worldwide since it first emerged in China late last year.